Hello my friends, Mr. Wheeler here again with another magic trick for you guys. Okay, now remember the rules. Number one, you have to be behaving, okay? So, I expect all of my friends to be listening to their parents, being nice to their brothers and sisters, and working on their schoolwork, okay? Plus, I will tell you a little secret. If you work on your schoolwork, if you set a schedule, then you won't be as bored. Okay? You won't feel like, oh, the days take forever, right? It'll make things go a lot faster. Okay, so today's magic trick. This is more of a close-up trick. That's why I'm not all the way back here at the table. I'm right here in your face. So this is a really funny one. This is a quarter and a bag, and it's a really simple trick. But you gotta watch really closely. I'm gonna take. Come on, quarter. I'm going to take the quarter out of the bag like this. Now watch it very carefully. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And the quarter disappears. And you can see all up inside of that bag, no quarter. But, ready? Watch. 1, 2, 3. Grab a quarter out of the air. It's an invisible quarter, but that's what invisible quarters look like. Did you guys know that? Invisible quarter. Ready? 1, 2, 3, just like that, and the quarter is back inside of the bag. That's kind of a cool little trick, isn't it? Okay, boys and girls. Hey, remember, be nice to your parents, be nice to your siblings, be good, do your schoolwork, and I miss you guys. Man, all right. I will talk to you guys later. We'll do another video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.